It was a wet and rainy day. The Silver Construction Company was laying new pipework. The rain had made the ground very soft and muddy, so it was ideal for breaking new ground. Patrick was mixing some concrete to pour around the pipes so that they would be better protected. Alfie was clearing the road so that the supplies could get there for the new pipes. But then an uninvited guest came along. Oh, stop digging. Oh, it's Groundhog engine. Good morning, everybody. Nice day to dig some pipes, eh? Yes, it is a nice day for us to dig pipes, Groundhog engine. Now please clear the premises. You're not permitted. What? I'm not permitted, but that fellow over there is. Do you mind? I'm mixing my concrete over here. Yeah, well, that seems a little bit unfair, doesn't it? He's a construction vehicle, Groundhog engine. He's permitted here. He has to pour the cement around the pipes for better stabilization and strength. You are just here with empty cars. Now please move along. Nonsense. I'm an expert in construction. Let me take a look. No, Groundhog engine. Oliver told you that you're not permitted here. Now move along. Yeah, you don't want to end up being buried, do you? You may buy that, Max. The ground's soft today. You can sink any minute. And with your heavy boiler, you're guaranteed to do that. But Groundhog engine didn't believe it. But that soon changed, and Groundhog engine was submerged. I say, get me out, please. Oh, we better save him. Alright, come on, guys. I don't think we're going to be able to do it ourselves. Patrick. Yeah? Go back to the basement and get more help. Right. Max, get over here so we can load you up. Alright. The machines were doing their best. But the ground was starting to set. And it was getting tougher and tougher. All this one's doing is just flicking dirt on me. It would serve you right for not listening. Yeah, you know all about that, Max. Guys, we can't argue. We need to work together. I just hope Patrick gets help soon. Was it this way or that way? Oh, I have no idea. It's sure is slippery. Where can I go? Oh yeah, Jack's working on the road, isn't he? Oh, hey Patrick. Yes, hello Jack. I need your help. Oh, well, can it wait? For what? Well, I started moving this road piece in place, and then I realized that it's not really formed properly, so I'm gonna need you to make a new one with your concrete. I don't have time for that. Please. George is already here, and he threatened that if we don't get it done now, he's not gonna come back. Yeah, it's true. I don't want to be around you guys any more than I already have to. Fine. We'll get it done now. Come on, just mix. I don't think Patrick's coming back, guys. Alright, there's your road. Can I go now? Sorry, Patrick, but we need to let George test or flatten the road first so we can make sure it's stable. How long is this gonna take? Takes however long it needs to. Hey, fix his crack. You made that with your big roller. No, it wasn't formed correctly. It's not my fault. Reform the whole piece. The whole piece? You heard him. No, Jack, don't. I hate you, Jack. What? Yeah, it's been hours. What can we do? I have an idea. Well, it's decent. Great. Can I go now? Well, if George approves, then I guess it's okay. Finally. Oh, come on! 1, 2, 3. We did it. Yeah. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. You've saved me. Yes, well, the only way that you can repay us is to listen to our instructions in the future instead of just not listening at all. Can I dump my load now? Yes, Max. Wait, not on him. Everyone laughed and cheered as the day had been saved. Wait, where's Patrick?